Welcome to shufflename.com, your ultimate random name picker. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to use our tool to generate random names like a pro. On the homepage, click the yellow button labeled Try It Now. This will take you to the main interface of the random name generator. Once you're on the main page, you'll see an input field where you can type names, type a name, e.g. Lewis, into the input box and click the Add Card button. A card will appear on the screen with the name you entered. Repeat this process for additional names. After adding all the names you want, click the Shuffle Now button. The cards will shuffle randomly. You will click on the card you have chosen, and this card will be highlighted as the winner. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can click Shuffle again to reshuffle the cards and get a new random selection. Once you've finished generating names, you can clear all the cards by clicking the Clear All Cards button. This resets the tool so you can start fresh with new names. At the top of the page, there's a link labeled How else can you use this tool? Clicking this will open a menu with various creative uses for the tool. That's it. You've successfully used shufflename.com to generate random names. Whether you're creating characters for a game, picking team leaders, or brainstorming business ideas, this tool makes the process quick and easy.